Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric bikes under $2,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Ado. Ado A20 or its 350 watt powerful motor, 10.4 ampere hour high quality battery, triple suspension system, and quality bike frame. It can attain a maximum speed of 35 km per hour. Houses Shimano 7-speed gears for proper utilization of the powerful electric motor. It comes with a fender and ships along with a phone holder and air pump. It features a tire size of 20 inches into 1.95 inches. The shock is handled by a front fork and addle tube for comfortable riding. Surprisingly, there's also a provision for phone charging. In order to make the e-bike smarter and efficient, the company has added a G-drive frequency conversion control system. The golden differential gear design reduces the power loss and uplifts the overall riding experience. Number 4. Brand name, Hemo. Hemo Z16 is an electric bike with the advantages of both bicycles and electric vehicles. It supports a maximum user weight of 100 kilograms. Hemo Z16 bike can be used for shopping, urban commuting, outdoor travel, and other scenarios. It has a wide range of applications and can well meet the needs of users. The handlebar, body, and pedals can be folded in 3 places. It can be easily put into the trunk, enter and exit the elevator, the office, and enter and exit every scene in life. It is very convenient. Hemo Z16 uses 18,650 automotive-grade power lithium battery. The range of pure electric cruising range is up to 55 kilometers, and the range of electric power assisting range is up to 80 kilometers. The vehicle has pure electric power assisting, and 3 riding modes of manpower in one, even without electricity. Ride easily. The hidden lithium battery box adopts a new generation of waterproof and flame retardant design, which is completely hidden in the main beam of the frame. It can be directly connected to the power supply for charging, or the lithium battery can be taken down and charged separately. 2 flexible and convenient charging methods are equipped with lithium battery anti-theft lock, solve the trouble of battery loss, let you ride worry-free. Number 3. Brand name, eason. The front 2-wheel design is designed to ensure excellent cornering characteristics and good passability. The front suspension uses a multi-link independent suspension similar to a car. Real-time display of power, speed, mileage, gear, and fault codes. Dual battery design, can be replaced manually. Always keep a battery with electricity, no need to worry about power off. Suspension system. Equipped with shock dampening via tire and seat cushion, effectively reduce the bumpiness and improve the driver comfort. The tubing stores brake oil. It is not easy to leak oil. The brake of the oil brake is soft, the braking effect is strong, and it is easy to maintain. Specially designed for easy manipulation, the ergonomically designed handles are softly cushioned, anti-slip and very comfortable. Quick folding mechanism allows it to be folded and unfolded in seconds, can be placed at home or carried with you. Widened padded cushion with shock absorber at the bottom for comfortable riding. Oil brake configuration, the brakes are more relaxed and comfortable. And the hand feels light. LED lights, energy saving, no glare. Guardian in the dark. Number 2. Brand name, Chang Milo. High-speed brushless rear motor up to 1000 watt provides powerful power. Motor noise is small, resistance is small, torque output, improve climbing performance, reduce battery burden. The powerful power system enables the electric bike to reach a maximum speed of about 40 km per hour. The professional 21 gear allows for increased power during climbing and manual control during riding in manpower assisted mode. Pedal assist mode. The motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bicycle. Supplier fully electric mode. Twist the throttle in any increments of power you desire to power the motor of the bicycle. Supplier manual mode. Pedal the bicycle normally as you would any bicycle. Tackle the tough sand, snow or road with ease. And the frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy. Full suspension fork. Offers smooth cushioning and shock absorption when cycling on rough terrains, enjoying the stimulant during your ride. The display with night mode LCD ensure visibility at night, shows mileage and speed and battery level and recommend you when you need to use it. It can conquer all terrains like off-road with comfortable riding experience. And when you brake, the power will automatically cut off. Number 1. Brand name, Alfina. The 26-inch 4.0 fat tire provides table riding experience. 1000 watt super brushless motor performance is like a beast. Bearing capacity 120 kg lighter and more robust. Upgrade 17 ampere-hour super battery capacity, power range up to 80 kilometers. The new upgrade brings a smarter and safer experience. Alfina FX03 is equipped with the latest 1000 watt super brushless motor, maximum speed 45 to 50 km per hour, adaptive power supply frequency. High-speed operation. 4.5-inch large screen, waterproof design, more intelligent control system. Equipped with a powerful Alfina 6th generation energy-saving control system. Considering the 3 modes of pure electricity, power and manpower, effectively increasing the cruising range. Double hidden spring shock absorbing front forks, 300 pounds of shock absorbers in the middle, high strength air pressure cushioning shock absorbers greatly reduce shocks, and can be freely adjusted and locked.